Mamelodi Sundowns Brazilian star Lucas Ribeiro Costa has taken the PSL by storm, leading the scoring charts with 13 goals and emerging as a strong contender for the PSL Player of the Season award. His dazzling performances have fueled discussions about his potential inclusion in the South African national team. With Brazil overlooking the 26-year-old forward, some have argued that Bafana Bafana should follow the example of European nations like France, which have neutralized foreign-born players to bolster their squads. However, head coach Hugo Broos remains firm in his stance. He has no interest in handing South African passports to foreign players, even those as talented as Ribeiro. Speaking to the media, Broos emphasized his commitment to homegrown talent and said it's not a question of liking or not liking. He's a very good player, but I don't think you can exaggerate with that. I don't want to naturalize or make foreign players South Africans. The Belgian tactician believes that granting citizenship to foreign-born players would be unfair to local talents who aspire to wear the Bafana Bafana jersey. However, he left the door slightly ajar, admitting that there could be rare exceptions, and said that's not a good way. You have to respect your South African players also. But if there is some exception, maybe he is an exception, it's possible. Why shouldn't you accept it? Broos' stance comes at a time when Bafana Bafana's creativity in attack is being questioned, especially with Themba Zwane sidelined due to injury. Ribeiro has stepped up as Mamelodi Sundowns' go-to player, demonstrating his ability to change games with his flair and finishing. Despite his heroics, Sundowns recently suffered a 2-1 defeat to Orlando Pirates, narrowing their lead at the top of the PSL standings to 15 points. The match also reignited debates over the league's best player, with Pirates rising star Lebohile Mofokeng delivering a standout performance. As the season nears its conclusion, the battle for the PSL Player of the Season award appears to be a two-horse race between Ribeiro and Mofokeng. With both players proving instrumental for their respective clubs, the decision is said to be one of the most hotly debated in recent years. While South African football fans continue to debate Ribeiro's potential naturalization, Broos' message is clear. Bafana Bafana's future lies in the hands of its locally born players. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.